It is impossible to think about groundbreaking technology and not think about Tesla and Elon Musk. At the company's AI event in 2021, Tesla CEO announced that the company will be branching out into humanoid robots. In today's video, we're going to be doing a review of everything we know about the Tesla bot and the Robotaxi. Want to know when these products will hit the markets? Want to know everything they can do? Then stick around until the end of this video as we explore all these and more. First, let's talk about the Tesla bot. Musk revealed the Tesla bot, a 1.7-meter, 56-kilogram robot, at Tesla's AI event in late 2021. Tesla bot, also known as Optimus, is a conceptual general-purpose robotic humanoid under development by Tesla Inc. During the Cyber Rodeo event on April 7, 2022, a display for the product was shown at the Tesla Giga Texas manufacturing plant. Musk claims that Optimus will eventually be able to handle anything that humans don't want to do, and that he intends to have the robot ready for production by 2023. He said the robot will have a screen in front of its face that will display information according to him. The humanoid robot will be able to deadlift 68 pounds and carry roughly 20 kilograms. The bot, however, will only be able to travel at a speed of roughly 8 kilometers per hour. He said, "We are setting it at such that it is at a mechanical level, at a physical level, that you can run away from it and most likely overpower it." Predictably, social media was filled with references to a bunch of dystopian sci-fi movies about robots where everything goes horribly wrong. As disturbing as the robot futures portrayed in films such as I, Robot, The Terminator, and others are, its underlying technologies of genuine humanoid robots and the intent behind them that should be the cause for concern. According to Tesla AI website, the bipedal humanoid robot will be capable of performing tasks that are unsafe, repetitive, or boring for human beings. Musk provided an example, suggesting the robot could be told to go to the store and get some groceries. Not that such a task is particularly dangerous, but you might find it repetitive and boring. While the specifications for a humanoid robot appear straightforward at a high level, the question is whether Tesla's technology can transform robots from science fiction to everyday reality. The robot will be a non-automotive robot, meaning it will operate through artificial intelligence and will use Tesla's Dojo sophisticated neural network, a supercomputer interface that Musk claims can analyze really massive volumes of data. Tesla vehicles use Dojo supercomputers to navigate through highways and streets without the need of human assistance. Musk claims that putting the Dojo computer system into humanoid form is logical. Tesla bots' heads will be equipped with the same autopilot cameras that are integrated into Tesla vehicles, which will also have a screen that displays information in order to acquire a sense of the surrounding environment. The bots will use Tesla's full self-driving computer interface, which is also used in the Tesla Model 3, X, S, Y, and Roadster. Musk made sure to stress that you could both outrun and overpower the Tesla bot with 3 slides that outline the robot's intended characteristics. He has previously spoken out against the use of robots as weapons and warned of the dangers that artificial intelligence could bring, once calling it the biggest risk we face as a civilization. However, if they're incredibly slow and easy to overpower robots like Musk promised, then maybe the dangers are reduced. During a question and answer session after the presentation, Musk said, "We should be worried about AI. What we are trying to do here at Tesla is make useful AI that people love and is unequivocally good." Musk, who is known for making bold predictions about the future, riffed on how he sees Tesla bot affecting the future of work as well. It's hard to estimate how far off such a future is, but there's a big difference between showing off a few PowerPoint slides and really delivering a working humanoid robot. It will probably be a long time before the Tesla bot delivers your bread and milk, but Musk stated that a prototype will be ready this year, so fingers crossed. The Tesla bot's engineers are using Tesla's full self-driving technology, which includes the unconventionally named autopilot. But this technology, as impressive as it is already proving to be unreliable. Accidents and deaths linked to Tesla's autopilot mode, the most recent of which involved the algorithms failing to spot parking emergency vehicles, are raising questions about the practicality in deploying the technology so soon. This track record doesn't bode well for human-like robots that rely on the same technology. Tesla's autopilot malfunctions are somewhat magnified by human behavior. Some Tesla drivers, for example, had driven their tech-enhanced cars as they were fully autonomous vehicles and failed to pay sufficient attention to driving. Could something similar happen with the Tesla bot? The Tesla bot comes with a whole risk portfolio. Some include possible threats to privacy and autonomy as the bot collects, shares, and acts on potential sensitive data. Challenges associated with how people are likely to think about and respond to humanoid robots. Potential misalignments between ethical or ideological perspectives, for example in crime control or policing civil protests, and more. These are issues that are rarely addressed in engineer training, yet failing to address them can result in disaster. Then there are the issues of technological bias, which have haunted AI for some time, particularly when it results in severely discriminating acquired behavior. For example, AI algorithms have produced sexist and racist results. Now let's look at the Tesla Robotaxi. Elon Musk made another bold claim during Tesla's first quarter earnings call earlier this year, claiming that the volume production of a Robotaxi will begin in 2024. He claims that this vehicle would not have a steering wheel or pedals, but will instead drive itself using Tesla's full self-driving software, which is still in beta testing. The goal of the Robotaxi, according to Musk, is to achieve the lowest cost per mile for a taxi-like vehicle, and that a ride in Tesla's Robotaxi will be less expensive than a subsidized public bus or subway fare. Musk refused to say whether the Robotaxi would be available for purchase by the general public or used by Tesla for a dedicated transportation service. This isn't the first time Musk has suggested that a Tesla Robotaxi is coming. Musk promised in 2019 that a fleet of self-driving taxis would be available in 2020. Musk tweeted in April 2020 that the Robotaxis will be operational that year, but that regulatory approval is the big unknown. Then everything was quiet, until the new Texas Gigafactory facility this year, 2 years after Musk's tweet, in which he also stated that the Cybertruck and Semi will be ready in 2023. The Cybertruck has been pushed back from its intended launch date of late 2021, while the Semi was supposed to be ready in 2019. The Roadster, which was first revealed in 2017, was supposed to be ready in 2020, and that's also missing. Musk's estimate for 2024 for Robotaxi production is unlikely. Not only because of Tesla's habit of not releasing new models even near to the original dates, but also because, as Musk stated in 2020, regulatory approval will be another hurdle. The Robotaxi would be considered level 5 autonomous if it doesn't come with a steering wheel or pedals, and Tesla's current autopilot system is only level 2, since a human still needs to monitor the car's behavior and can take over at any time. So the company has a lot of work to do if it has to meet up with the 2024 promise. There are a lot of people that believe that we won't see the Tesla robot or the Robotaxi anytime soon, and they might be right. We'd like to know what you think though. Do you think Tesla will deliver on their promise? Let us know down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to get more tech-related content like this.